Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green onion pasta salad. Green onions are a great ingredient to use in pasta salad because they have a nice savory, oniony flavor, but they're not heavy and obnoxious like raw onions, raw yellow onions sometimes can be. So here I have some shell pasta. I'm going to add some green onions. And then I'm going to add some other vegetables also to make it nice and crunchy. I've got some chopped cucumber. I've got some shredded carrots. Now I also have a small sweet red pepper. You can use a green pepper, you could use a full-size red pepper. You could really use any kind of vegetables you want. Tomato's nice. It's another way of getting the red in there. I'm just cutting this in thin strips. And then I'm going to season this with a little bit of olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some salt, and some black pepper. And there you have a green onion pasta salad.